Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will learn about drawing a pie chart using Matplotlib. For that purpose, I am opening command prompt from where I am going to open Jupyter notebook. It will take us to Jupyter notebook from where we are going to open a new IP kernel. Here there is our options upload and new. When we select new, it asks us to what type of file it is and we will open notebook. So the main need or the basic need is to import Matplotlib because we are working on it. So there are different modules in Matplotlib library which we are using in this particular video is pyplot, pyplot, and we are importing it as plt or whatever you like. This is alias name for pyplot. So why we import pyplot as alias name plot? That's because we are when we are doing major codes, if we have to use pyplot from beginning to the end, it will take and it will irritates. That's why we are using an alias name. So we imported it. We are going to run the cell. If you want to run, here there is a run option to run. Otherwise you can directly run using your keyboard. If you press Ctrl and enter, it will run the cell. And to open new cell while running, shift plus enter, it will open a new cell from where we are going to need some data in order to print pie chart. So for this purpose I am taking some daily use apps which are very popular. I am going to start with the Twitter, then Instagram, where the servers frequently down, and Facebook, which is lost its touch nowadays, and the other one, what's it is? What do we use? We can use Snapchat. Many members use Snapchat, and nowadays they are capturing each and every moment, whatever it is, to maintain the streak usage. So who will use which app for what, like how many users are using the app daily? First say we are considering the numbers in billions, or we can consider the numbers in millions. So let's take, nowadays we are seeing many and major trending topics in Twitter. That's why I'm giving Twitter a 1 lakh, and for Instagram let's say 80,000. For Facebook, because it's lost its touch nowadays, I'll say 50. For Snapchat, there are many people who are struggling to maintain streak, and they are creating records in maintaining streak. For that purpose, I'll say 90,000 people. So we got apps and we got users, daily users who are using the app. And here there is a topic named explode. So you can create a variable called e, in which we are going to give certain values. I am giving first one I am giving 0.1, then the remaining three I am keeping them as 0, which is e. I will explain it. So we are using plot to set title for the pie chart. For that, plot dot title of, we are giving title pie chart. After creating title, now we are going to plot our pie chart. For that purpose, we are going to use plot dot pie. So in this Matplotlib, if we are going to draw a bar chart, we are going to use bar like that. If we are going to use a scatter plots, we are going to use scatter. So in here we are drawing pie chart. For that we are using pi. In pi we have to mention uses first because it's all deals with mathematics and numerics. That's why we are using uses first. Then we can use e, that's we are going to equal to explode. You will understand what explode means. Then we are going to give labels. For labels, so I'll show you the labels after running first one. So we give a wrong input. That's why usage is not defined here. If you see, Python is case sensitive, that's why we gave here capital U and we are using small u here. That's why it gives us error. Now run it. See here, we got the pie chart. So here we used explode 0.1. Let's make it 0. You will see the difference. See here. So we used 0.1 to differentiate between two parts. That's why we're using explode as 0.1. So we are giving labels. Labels is for which one is related to which one. Case sensitive, my bad. So this blue color is equal to Twitter and this yellow are like what? Instagram. This green color is Facebook and this red color is Snapchat. So this is for good looking, like that. For that purpose we are using explode. Then there is auto PCT keyword which will be used to show the percentage. Here there are 4 subtopics in a pie chart like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat. Which app contains which how much percentage, that's it's going to show. Point 1, so floating values. So now run it. See here, the Twitter consumes 31.2. Like for say in daily users, 31.2% people are using Twitter according to my number of people I considered in this example. That's where Twitter 31 percentage, Instagram is 25 and Facebook is 15 and Snapchat is 28%. There are 28% who are struggling to keep the streaks. That's it guys. Thank you. If you do like the video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet later in another video.